Okay, here goes. As you can see, I've charred the timber and it's came up really nice. It's actually, you just never know what's going to happen, so it's actually came up with, it's as though it's like tiger stripes. And so I've darkened around the edges and given it a kind of worn old look. So what I'm going to do now is put on some mineral oil and it's going to bring it up even better. So wait till you see this. So do it across the grain and then it'll work its way into the pores. Look at that. So we'll build this up, probably about maybe 5 or 6 coats. I'm going for a kind of matte finish. I don't want this to be shiny. There you go, look at the difference in that. Yeah, look, pretty cool. Chuffed with that. That's just a cheap £7 piece of pine out of Bunnings, and it's 4 pieces laminated together. There we go. You know how cool the back came up. And the oil's soaked in already. That's what I'll do and give it another coat. And you can see that the charcoal comes off onto the rag. So what we want to do is keep building it up until this disappears. So it'll start to become clear on the rag. Look at that, how cool is that? You'd never know that was the same piece of timber. So obviously we make sure we don't put any in the neck pocket, or else when I put the glue, because I'm not having a bolt through neck, I'm going to have a glued neck. So we don't want any oil in there. You can see here I've put on a hook where the strap's going to go. So basically I've just put that on just now so that I can then hang this up and we can leave it to dry. Let the oil soak in, and then in a couple of hours I'll put on another coat. But yeah, I'm really chuffed with how this looks, considering it's my very first build. And you would just think that was never the same piece of timber. I think I've got another bit somewhere. So there's the timber that came off. What a difference. So we'll leave this soak in. And once it goes slightly tacky. And once it goes slightly tacky, we then come back with a clean rag and give it a good polish up. But we need to wait. See, it's the wood's that dry, it's just soaking it all in. Put some oil on here. Yeah, really. This is going to look great. So I'm going to do, my plan is to do the same with the neck. I've cut out a piece of Jarrah for the neck blank. And basically once I've sanded it down to shape, I intend to do the same where I'm going to char it as well so that it matches the body. I did contemplate in leaving it as the natural timber, but as you can see it's a totally different colour. So what we'll do is we'll char this, as I say, and then we'll get it to the same as the body. And my plan is to use black fittings. Well, in saying that, black or silver. The silver would show up against the black colour of the wood, but I also think it could look nice with black. The black saddle pickups and then the control knobs. So we'll see. Time to think about that one. See there, I've got the hole pre-drilled for the jack. There we go, we'll leave this for 5 minutes and then we'll come back and just give it a buff over with a cloth.